What up, guys? Murph here again. Before we get into what this video is going to be, I first just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel already and keeps coming back for more videos. I actually recently just had one of my videos for the first time hit over 500 views, and I'm super stoked about it. I'm super excited to keep bringing more content to the channel. If this is your first time coming to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. A lot more content is coming. I'm going racing Saturday, so it'll be the first time we get this Challenger out onto the track to actually see what basically the stock drivetrain in this car will do on the dragway. So without further ado, we're going to get back to what this video is about. So it's finally come in. My Barton shifter. So this is basically going to be an unboxing video. I couldn't contain myself when this first came in. I had to open the box and look at it a little bit, but most of the parts are still wrapped up in here in the box. So we're going to take a quick look at them, and we're going to see what the new shifter for the Challenger is going to be. This shifter itself was about $475. It's supposed to have a 44% throw reduction shifting through the gears, and it's supposed to guarantee a perfect shift from second to third and fifth to fourth every time. One of the reasons why it's able to do that is because of the centering springs that it has to make sure that when you're going back and forth through the different gates, that it gets you into the perfect place to shift almost every single time. So I'm not going to be racing with this in the car on Saturday. However, after I go racing, me and my buddy are going to install it in my car. So we're going to have a fun day Saturday. A couple new videos will be coming out with everything that happens there. But let's go ahead, let's unbox the shifter and see what we're working with. So in the box, they do give you this. It's just to show you where the instructions are to go ahead and install the shifter. And I would do this on a workbench or something, but I don't have one in my garage yet. So we're going to do it right here in front of the car. So the first thing I want to show you is, this is the part that I opened, just because I wanted to see how it came out. So you're able to choose a black or white shift ball, and then for $5 you can get the gears painted in here. I'm really excited with how this turned out. I think the white looks good against the blue. And yeah, so that's the shift ball. This was what I'm super excited about. It's got like that 8-ball style shift knob. I'm super excited to actually get this in the car and see what it turns out, what it looks like in the end. But so far this looks pretty amazing. So put that off to the side. Here we have it. Super excited. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Couple of brackets. These all look like they're made out of really good looking machined aluminum. Quality parts with Barton. Several different pieces of hardware, including zip ties, bolts, nuts. They supply you with everything. Most of your original shifter will not be reused. So I thought I chose, I'm pretty sure this is machined aluminum for the stick. You had the option of getting an inlay on the stick itself. However, I thought I chose not to get anything in there and just have it be machined, but apparently they threw red in on with it as well, probably to match the ball. I thought this was supposed to be a $35 option. However, it looks like I got it for free. I don't know. That's interesting. Barton, if you're watching this video, thanks. That actually looks really good. Actually. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that looks really good. That looks fantastic. Man, I am super excited to get this thing in the car now. So like I said, we're going to be doing that this Saturday. So probably be on the lookout for a video either this weekend or sometime next week on what the install for the car is going to be. This was the unboxing video for Barton. Obviously, you get a window sticker as well with it, which I will probably put on my car. But this is super cool. This is honestly probably one of the first big, and it's not even that big of an upgrade, but it's one of the first bigger upgrades that I'm doing for the car. And I'm super excited and can't be more interested to see what this is going to do for the car once it's installed. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm super excited to see what this is going to be like in the car. I really, honestly, I kind of want to do this without my buddy right now, to be honest. I just want to rip my car open and go. But no, we're going to do it over at his place after we go racing. I want to see what this car will do with the original stick in it. So yeah, I can't be more excited to do this, and I'm doing it myself too, which is great. I know I've done a couple other things myself to the car, like put the cold air intake on and the fender badge and that type of stuff. But that was all just minor things. This is actually going in, ripping out the center console, taking the old shifter out, putting the new one in. It's supposed to take approximately an hour and a half to 2 hours, according to what Barton says. But we're just gonna have to see. And I will have a video on the install with it, and then a review of it as well after I'm done installing it, to see how well it drives now with the new shifter in. So thank you so much for watching. Stick around. I can't wait to get this thing in, and hopefully I'll see you guys here soon with some race videos and a new install video. Until then, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to keep seeing this stuff. All right, thanks everybody. Have a great one. Bye.